Fermented, spicy, red, unique. You've probably had this before. Every time you've been to a Korean restaurant, seen effortlessly slung on your table, then gobbled down by patrons without much thought. What could be more quintessentially Korean than kimchi? But today we're going to find out the long journey this ubiquitous Korean side dish took to end up in your meal. This week, me and Chambo hang out in Hongdae, try some amazing kimchi dishes, and I leave my camera on time-lapse for an entire cooking class.
What they always want, like the best thing I learned from this experience though is that people are not looking at us as individuals when we're in Korea. They're looking at us to learn about something that they don't know, right? Otherwise, why the hell would you watch us?
I don't want to get too abstract or existential, but like that's how all human interactions are. They're not dealing with you, they're dealing with the idea of you. So like they're dealing no, it's true, because they're dealing with, when somebody interacts with you, there's a certain, they have their own idea of you and they have their own ideas of what they want to get out of the interaction, and that's what they're interacting with. They're dealing with their idea of what you are, and if you don't fit their expectations or what they want, then they're not gonna want to deal with you at all.
It's like that Batman thing. It's like, it's not who you are inside. So what you do, that's how I find you.
That was a terrible Christian Bale impression.
I was doing Katie Holmes.
Okay, all right. Well, that was spot on, man.
There we go.
Okay, good.
You know, I've been practicing.
I will buy some pork, and then I will boil pork. While you make kimchi, and you will eat kimchi and pork together. You eat pork, right?
I eat everything.
Yeah. But at that time,
생김치 and 묵은지
배추김치 or 김장김치, that's long-term kimchi, and fresh cabbage kimchi with pork, 겉절이.
겉절이. I like the makeshift like bleach container. That's gonna this thing. Bleach that.
That's for the scooping.
Very hygienic.
Maybe they.
Right now it's like, it's -3, even like hands in pockets, it's freezing. I don't understand how people have been able to make kimchi for so long in the middle of winter.
They want to live.
That could be a motivating factor.
I mean, you get acclimated to it. You adapt to your environment. I mean, you know, that whole thing about tough environments breed tough people.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like, you know, if that becomes a necessary condition in your survival, you put up with it, as opposed to us and our little our office jobs and our fast food,
Easy living,
and their
right?
delivery. Oh god, we got it. So I wonder if it's gonna get just like easier and easier, and then people are just gonna get softer and softer. Like, how did you ever deal with, you know, whatever the fuck things that we take for granted of like general discomfort?
Well, it's
Kind of weird. I probably listen to it because I'm like, oh, I want to keep him as a friend.
Well,
so it's like I don't want to be.
It's positive intentions for you.
Oh no! Oh, 할 수 없어요. Oh, 감사합니다. Impossibility cannot.
You're the most peculiar guy, I swear to God. I don't know which dynasty you came from, but you were like time machine and dimension transfer, I swear to God. No, there was another thing that happened yesterday, right? So,
The person or them to listen to you.
oh, natsu.
Oh, 목걸이.
Good with the kimchi.
Oh, what are we gonna eat? What are we gonna use that
Makgeolli is
for?
good for hangovers. Oh God, makgeolli is like
Oh,
the
목걸이.
most dangerous thing on this planet, I swear to God.
No, 목걸이, man. That'll run away from you.
I'm a soju boy.
You're soju boy. Oh,
Soju now!
Soju boy.
I'm too cold to lift my arms.
your face upon the fermented spicy goodness.
We are kimchi boys.
Oh, kimchi.
Kimchi
nam.
boy, kimchi nam.
Kimchi 외국인.
You know what kimchi nam means? It's kind of like, almost like a spoiled guy who demands the chick to pay everything and shit.
So like a crop. I think it's this one.
There we go. Next one. There we go.
Oh, there we go. It even says kimchi jjigae on it.
Cool. All right.
안녕하세요.
Yeah.
김영영.
2명이에요.
네. 왜?
Is this your?
외국인 오면 김치 많이 있어요? 실망했어요.
You wanna go there?
Oh, hey, yeah. Good.
여기 앉으면 안 돼요?
여기. Yeah, this is much better view. Good eye. 있어. 유튜브 만들었어. 감사합니다. 뭐요? 뭘요?
메뉴 보시고 말씀해 주세요.
메뉴.
오, 김치찌개.
How do you want to set it? We sit this side
I'm gonna set it up.
and then
I'm
video
gonna
this
set it
way.
up going, yeah, I'm gonna put both the cameras this way.
I do know.
So here, let me 우와, 대박.
Just order?
Anyway, what are you thinking for the, is it like some special kimchi?
I say 생고기 김치찌개.
오, 생고기 김치찌개. 오,
What do you think?
이리 와.
No, oh my god, it's bad.
이상해. 어떡해. Did you say 생?
생고기 김치찌개 2인분이고 만두사리 추가하고 beyond eggs.
Eggs? Are you getting eggs?
I want one fried egg.
네.
그리고 계란 후라이 2개요.
깜짝이야.
괜찮아.
부럽겠네.
찌개 2개, 만두 하나,
네.
계란 후라이 2개,
네.
하나 더 있죠?
하나 더?
뭐 있었지 않았어요?
없었어요.
후라이 2개, 찌개 2개, 거기다가 만두 1개.
네. 충분하죠?
네.
하고, wait.
밥이랑 같이 나와요?
하고 캐스.
캐스?
Why is that funny? I don't understand. Because I said 캐스.
No.
No. I do all my food. I do the food footage with that. I actually got it specifically for that purpose.
Okay.
All right. So this is proper.
Wow, with the cold hand, I feel like it just like shattered into like 15 million pieces.
You need to toughen up.
Bro, do you know how far my fingers are from my heat source? It's like 1 kilometer away. I can't do it.
예. 우와, 좋았습니다. 김치, just put it on the ground. 오늘 김치 만드는 수업. Do you like kimchi? I've never had. What is a kimchi?
We made this today.
We're gonna find out if this kimchi matches up with the kimchi we've been making today. So what's with the big bowl though?
So you put the rice in, the kimchi jjigae, and then the seaweed and the fried egg, and you mix it a lot. It's like a mini bokkeumbap.
You know what? I've never had kimchi jjigae in a place like this.
Oh really?
No, this is actually kind of lit. I never even thought of it. I was like, wait a minute, there's a freaking thing right there. Okay. Oh, that stuff with me was better.
It's pretty acidic. So this one's been fermenting for a long time. I love vinegar. Vinegar is so key to life. Or acidic flavor is a key to life. Let's taste. Normally with kimchi jjigae, the longer you let it boil, the more deep the flavor gets. Actually, that's pretty solid. That's not bad at all.
This is actually good.
Not bad, right?
This is legit.
Okay, so methodology. You put your rice in your big bowl,
Oh, you put a pepper at the bottom too. Is that part
No,
of
no, that's just me having a bite. That's gonna go in a sec. Rice in your big boy bowl. Grab some seaweed boys.
Woo.
Kim karo. Slam some of that in.
Ooh, look at how burnt this thing gets. Keeps getting too close
Oh,
to the
yeah.
fire.
Wow, that's pretty funny actually.
I'm just gonna take the rest.
That's it.
Selfish boy.
Then you get your keran fry.
Okay, done.
There we go. And then, last step, you slam a bit of kimchi jjigae inside.
Ooh, very honorable.
Very nicely. Now, different people like it with different wetness. I like a bit of, not too wet, just a bit of dryness to it as well.
So then what are those floating in there?
So that's mandu. We added some mini mandu inside.
Oh, did you add that or was that already part of the deal?
Yeah, we added that one. So you get to add mushrooms or mandu, you know, eggs, ham, more tofu if you want. Okay, so here's our pre-mixed bokkeumbap. Next step, slam it open. Get it going. Boom, boom, boom.
Let me get some wetness. I like to get it wet, nice and wet.
Nice and wet. There we go.
Kim chisels. All right, there we go.
Fold.
What's up? There we go. Now we're doing good.
There we go.
This is proper. This is proper Epi now. Now we're really kicking ass. We got good food. We got some good activities earlier. Yeah, we did multiple kimchi related things all day. Today was a kimchi heavy day.
My ideal day. I'm in heaven. Can't live in Korea and dislike kimchi.
That's fucking good. That's really good.
There we go.
Why order a beer though?
I don't think you understood.
저기요. 해서 하네요. 아 맥주.
카스
어떤
있어요?
맥주 있어요?
테라. 감사합니다.
This is proper, mate. It's real fucking proper.
This is what good kimchi dishes taste like. Nice.
감사합니다.
Tera. Tera's hot these days, right? This wasn't really a thing at all when I lived here last time.
Yeah, it's a recent thing.
Cheers.
Don't.
Yeah. Nice winter day. Beauty, mate.
Ah, good. This actually wraps it all up. I was actually I was like a little bit annoyed with the technical difficulties we had earlier. I was like, fuck. I was like, I don't know how we got half an Epi. Now we got a full Epi. This is perfect.
And it happens to be good food. Good day, I think.
That's what I'm talking about, man.